Hey, this is Xmx1G Xms1G, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft server on your Mac. First thing you're going to want to do is open up Safari, and then just type in minecraft.net, and then just click enter. Hold on a minute, just have to wait for this to load. Okay, that did not work. Minecraft.net. And then it should bring you to this screen. You probably are associated with this screen if you actually have Minecraft. So anyways, you just want to click this download button right under the buy now, and then download this .jar file. It's called minecraftserver.jar. It's about 700 kilobytes. It shouldn't be that big of a problem for you guys. And then once you've got that downloaded, next thing you're going to want to do is open up this app called let's download this app called Port Map. Basically what this app does is frees up ports for your server to use. So once you get onto this screen, you basically want to download the Landlubbers version of the app, which is basically just the application itself. Once that's all downloaded, you don't need your browser anymore, so you can just close that. And then just drag your port map and your Minecraft server to your desktop. And you're going to want to create a new folder and call it server. And just drag your Minecraft server.jar into there. It doesn't matter if you put your port map in there or not, it's your choice. And you're going to want to go over to your spotlight and type in text and go over to your text edit. You're going to want to put in this code once your text edit is up. I'm going to have this code in the description below. But what this code does is makes it so you can tell it how much RAM you want your server to run on, whether it's 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes, 3, so on and so forth. I would advise you to only use about 1 gigabyte of RAM, unless you are using a server full of like 50 people or something crazy like that. But anyways, once you have this down, you're going to want to save it as start.command. Then you just want it to go to your desktop. And you're going to want to put that into your server file. Once it's there, you're going to want to open up terminal right there. And then just type in this chmod a plus x space. So there's one space there and then another there. So once you've got this text in, you just want to drop your start.command in there and hit enter. What that does is allows you to use your .command file. So we'll just start that up now. It should say something like it's not allowed to run on this port, and then you have to change the port and all of that stuff. As you can see there, it did just that. And the way you fix this is go to your server properties. You're going to want to open it in text edit, not terminal. And you're going to want to change this right here where it says 25565. Change that to something else, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to change it to this. And I'll save that, and I'll just get out of text edit now. So you're going to want to start your server up again. And this time I shouldn't have that same error problem. It'll say something like failed to load this stuff, but it'll make that stuff just in order to cope with it. It should be loading all of your world right now. It should be generating the world. So we'll just wait for that to load, and while we do, I'm going to open up the port. And the way you do this really is when you open up the app, it should have nothing on it, but you press the plus button in the bottom left corner and you just type in a random 5-digit number. But you have to remember that number because you need it to run your port. It should be the same number that you used to change the port when you went into the server properties. So you can just call this whatever you want, like Minecraft, and then you just add it. If it's not green, that means there's something wrong with your router and you need to look that up yourself. Mac routers are a bit different. I might be able to help you out as far as I can. Just comments below. If you have any problems, I'll try to get to you. But anyways, it should be green, and if it is green, then you're in the clear, so you just open up your Minecraft app. And as you can see, it is done loading its generating world. So I'll just open my app here and log in. This may take a second, it shouldn't take too long. And done. Basically, what you want to do here is type in the IP address of your router. And then type in the, what you want to do here is type in the IP address of your router, and then type in the port that you just opened. I know mine by heart, so I'm just going to type that in here. And then I'm going to type in the port that I just opened. The way you find out your IP address is by going to your port map, and then just looking up here. It should be as simple as that. And then you just click done. Should be the only thing you see. If you have more than one, then you know how to do this process. So you just join it. It may look laggy on the screen, but that is because this is my recording software. It is not laggy whatsoever on the screen, so I'm going to just let it load. So this has been Xmx1G showing you guys how to make a Minecraft server on your Mac. Hey, this is Xmx1G saying that if you like this video and you want to see more like it, click that subscribe button down there. It really helps me out.